Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today, we're looking at the League of Legends LOL PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. So the League of Legends PowerPoint game is made by Steve Marty of the Way Group Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below for you to get your free downloadable copy of the PPT. How it works, the home screen here is actually a grid, so the students have to choose a grid coordinate like B1, A1, D6, and they have to answer a question from there. So they've got a couple of choices, they answer
I do your bidding, for now.
They then have to fight a monster, a legend, and they get different events on what they choose. So they could get some points or something negative. To return to the main screen, click on the L logo. They also have many special events, and these are when they can collect these specific trophies, which give them a lot more of the additional points. Well, that's been our PPT walkthrough of the League of Legends PowerPoint game made by Steve Marty. Remember, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and go to the links below in the description box to get a copy of this free PPT download. Bye bye.